What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, today's video I'll be bringing you guys well, I didn't finish this, but I will be bringing you guys 3 or 5 bandana hairstyle, like cute hairstyle you could do with like a bandana. So let me take this out, but yeah, so that's what I will be showing you guys today. Yeah, so, and before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also let me know in the comment like which look you guys like and like how I did, if you guys like these. So yeah, let's get into this video. I bought these bandana from Walmart. Like, they have different styles, like, so you just gotta go in there and like find I think this one's my favorite. I think I like this color. So they have different ones. So yeah, so like I said, I don't know how many style I'm doing. I'm just gonna freely do them, so I don't know. So yeah, so numero uno, numero un. So I have this, it's already rolled, so I could make it larger, like this, and then I'm going to do the regular, like if you had a bun, like, yeah. So when I had my undercut, I used to do this a lot because when I do buns, because when the hair in the back was growing, it did not look good, so I needed something to make it look, you know, presentable. So I would buy these from Walmart, or my friend usually buy these, so she got me into buying these. So yeah, so this is one of the look, and I will be inserting some pictures somewhere here so you guys can see it. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. So number 2 hairstyle, I'm going to do this black one for it instead, and it's kind of like wrinkled because you know, it was rolled up or whatever. So I'm just going to put them, Lord Jesus, get that situated. I'm trying to think. Don't want to put my hair down now. Well, it's this one. I know you guys seen this, so. And people in my country usually do this to go sleep. Well, I know some of you guys do this to go sleep, so. And that, I don't know how I would look with this. I don't know. Lately I feel like my forehead been looking big, guys. I don't know. I feel like my forehead been looking huge for some reason. I don't know why. Okay, so this will be like this. Or like you can I don't know, how do I feel about this? Do you guys like this look? I could bring like a hair piece to the front if I can manage to do that. Oh God, Jesus Christ, oh, I done destroyed that. God, Jesus. Alright. That didn't work out like I wanted. Yeah, my hair definitely needs to be washed, because, no. So we're gonna do this like this. I hate braiding long hair. It'll stick too long. Alright, cool. So yeah, this is that. So let me know if you guys like this look. I don't know. Number 3, I think that's number 3, right? Number 3, so I would take this, hold on, I'm gonna put this, tie this behind, cause and also guys, I have this challenge idea, this hair challenge idea. Let me know in the comment if you guys would like to participate. I think at the end of the challenge I will be doing like a giveaway, not a giveaway but like a prize, like give to whoever won a prize. Let me know in the comment like if you guys want to participate, so that way I can be, you know, more motivated to do it. Because I was thinking about it, I was like, I don't know if people want to do it. I posted on this group that I am on this natural hair group that I'm on Facebook, and I got like a couple people that say they will do it. So if I can get a couple more people to do it, then I will post the rules and like what it's about. And it's for hair growth. It's a 30 days challenge, so whoever won after that 30 days will get a prize. So I don't know if I want to do like 3 prizes, like first place, second place, third place, but let me know in the comment like if you would like to participate or join, so that way like I can like, you know, get it together, and then I will be posting it on this channel and also on that group on Facebook for the people that want to participate over there. So yeah, let me know if you guys want to do that. Alright, so this is the 3rd look right here. I have the little hair right here and the little hair right here, and all I did, I twisted that thing right here, and then yeah. So this is the 3rd look, and then for 4th look you could just do this. You can just slit, you know, you don't have to do it too tight, and just put like a band right there. You can leave it like that, or you can braid it, or like, you know, do whatever you feel like doing. I'll like put it in a little bun. I'm liking these looks. You could do this. My hair needs to be washed. That's why like it's so greasy and frizzy right now from all the natural oils of my head. So that's why it looks like this. But yeah, this would be the 4th look. So yeah, let me know in the comment which look you guys like. Okay, so guys, for this 5th look, I'm doing, I don't know, I just thought of this, so I think I'm going to pull this on the side right here. Hopefully this look cute, I don't know, but I don't have my hair tie, so these bobby pins gonna have to do. So from here, and then I'm using this one. I'll just tie that on there, kinda. Then I think I want to braid it in here. Let's see if I have the right idea. And then you would just braid that in there. I don't know how to close this. I'm just gonna close it with a rubber band. Like this. Oops. Let me know in the comment if you guys like this look. I don't know. It's creative. I think it's cool. I think I just don't like this little piece of hair that's like going, you know. But yeah, if it was like this, oh, maybe I should do it like all the way in the, like, to the back. But right here, yeah, I think it's cool. It's all right. But anyway, I try. So yeah, so this is the last look, guys. Let me know in the comment which look you guys like, and also don't forget to let me know in the comment if you guys want to participate in my 30 days hair growth challenge. That will at the end of it there will be a prize. Let me know in the comment if you guys want to do that, so that way we can start, at least that way I can start the challenge by the latest, I want to say February. Yeah, the latest I want to start that, because I wanted to start so that way when we get to February I would already have, like, you know, we would already be in 30 days. But I just thought of it, so I'm just now letting you guys know. So let me know in the comment, you know, if you guys want to participate. And I have like 2 people on that group. I'll probably post that post on another group again and see what other natural hair people I get and stuff. So yeah, so like this video, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.